Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So our imaginary friend John has been given his biggest challenge yet. He has this shipping data, which is a large set of data downloaded from the company's database containing more than 1,000 records, and his boss has asked him to do some calculations. So let's see how we can help him out. I'm going to scroll across to the right of the data set, and I can see over here there are some empty columns, and this is where we need to do the calculations. The first calculation John has to do is the profit margin. Profit margin is calculated by subtracting the cost price from the retail price. Alright, let's put it in practice. Click on Q4. I'm going to do my equals. Click on the retail price. Press minus. Click on the cost price. And now I'm going to press enter. And there is my profit margin. Let's do it one more time. Equals, retail price, minus sign, cost price. Press enter and we have our calculation. Since we have more than 1,000 records, we are actually going to be here for a while. Are we? Remember the fill handle we covered earlier? The good news is it actually works in calculations as well. So click on Q5 and when you have this green box appearing, come on the corner, double click, voila, our profit margin is calculated. Wonderful. Alright, let's move ahead to our subtotal. So the subtotal is the amount the customer is going to pay before discount and the shipping price. So it's a multiplication between retail price and the order quantity. Let's put it in practice. Click our equals, click on the retail price, multiply, which is an asterisk sign, and order quantity, press enter, voila. I'm going to do the fill handle and I have my subtotal calculated. Let's go over to the discount amount. Now, discount is worked out as a percentage of a subtotal. Percentages can make people a little bit nervous. The good news is that in Excel, it is really easy. All you need to do is take the percentage amount, multiply it by the value you want to get a percentage of, which is right here, and you get the discount amount. Now do remember that 6% is not the same as 6. It is the same as 6 divided by 100, or if you prefer 0.06. Alright, let's see how it works. I'm going to come on to U4, click equal, press on my subtotal, do my asterisk, discount percentage, press enter, and that is my discount amount. I can again do my fill handle, works out nice and easy. Alright, our final calculation is order total. Now this means that we're going to take our subtotal, like here, we are going to subtract the discount amount and we're going to add the shipping cost to it. So this is a slightly more complex formula, but only slightly. So let's start with our equals and I'm going to click on my subtotal. Now I'm going to press minus. Click on my discount amount, which is right here. Click on my plus, which is now the shipping cost needs to be added to it. Click on that, press enter, and there I have my order total. Now I'm going to do again my fill handle, and voila. So under 5 minutes, we have easily helped John complete his shipping spreadsheet. Now, why don't you give it a shot?
Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.